Welcome to the File-AID MVS Online Browse and Edit VSAM module. Here you will learn about the extended commands available in the File-AID editor that were designed for simplified access to VSAM files. The focus of this module is on editing VSAM key-sequenced datasets. The learner is assumed to have completed the File-AID Editor Basics module or have equivalent experience. We will cover 5 commands or command types, beginning with key protection. Since File-AID must follow VSAM rules, record keys are by default protected. That is, they cannot be changed. We will see how key protection may be turned on and off with primary commands and also with line commands, yet remain safe from corruption. We will revisit the info command to look at the VSAM cluster information provided, as well as the current status with respect to key values in the editor. We will see the effects of the sort command on a keyed file and merging into a keyed file. Finally, we will look at the key and key next commands for directly accessing a given record. We begin by opening a VSAM file in the editor. Note that the keys are highlighted because they are protected. There is also a single column space between the keys and the remaining data in the records, and a corresponding gap in the columns ruler. Changing to formatted mode, we see that the key field name and information, as well as the data, are highlighted. In vertically formatted mode, the key values are highlighted. Finally, in unformatted mode, the key value is highlighted. Changing back to formatted mode, we can disable key protection for the current record by entering prot off on the command line. This results in turning off the color highlighting for the field name and data. Although the data value may now be changed here, we will look at an example a bit later. To re-enable key protection for the current record, we enter the prot command. Note that prot and prot on are both valid. Changing back to character mode, key protection is disabled with the unprotect line command. Here we enter U in the line command area for line 2 and the block commands to unprotect the keys on lines 7 through 12. Here we see the result. The color highlighting is turned off for those lines and the key values may now be changed. Now we will change 2 key values. The key on line 2 is changed to 00089, so the value is less than the value on line 1. Also, the key on line 7 is changed to 18034, the same value as on the previous line. After making these 2 changes, we press Enter. Since the keys must be in ascending order, line 2 is tagged with SEQ, denoting a sequence error. Similarly, line 7 is tagged with DUP, as duplicate key values also are not allowed. Next, we enter the info command. First of all, the VSAM cluster information is displayed. Also, the pertinent counts show 1 sequence error, 1 duplicate key, and 2 changes have been made. Keep in mind that there could be numerous such tags in a large file, and a manual search would not be practical. To re-enable key protection, the protect line command may be used. Here we see examples of the single line and block commands. Here we have reset the file to look at the effects of a simple sort command seen here. We still see the sort count and the data specified is now in ascending order. The tags in the line command area reveal a key sequence issue as several keys are now out of order. When ready to put the file back into its natural key sequence, simply enter the sort command with no operands. There may be a need to copy records from another file into the current file. Although the copy command is valid in a VSAM file, all records copied in are kept together and could result in sequence errors. The merge command, shown here, will properly distribute incoming records by their key values. The incoming data need not be keyed and need not be in order. Here we see the confirm copy screen resulting from inconsistent attributes. One file is keyed, the other is not. We press Enter to allow the merge to continue. Here we see the resulting dataset merged message and the new and duplicate key value tags as well. Any attempt to save this file as is will fail. The Cannot Save message appears in the upper right corner of the screen. Key errors may be caused by merging files or by changing unprotected keys, as we saw earlier. All key errors are monitored by File-AID and must be corrected before saving the file. The key command may be used to go directly to a record whose key value is known. This is especially convenient in large files where scrolling would take a long time. Here we are positioned at the beginning of the file and we enter key plus the value 99000. Before proceeding, let's look at some options. Either the full word key or simply the letter K may be used. The value may be entered by itself or enclosed in single or double quotes. A hexadecimal string must be prefixed by the letter X, and the letter C prefix denotes a string requiring case sensitivity. One more note. String values are left justified and blank padded. So, for a 5-byte key, key 99 is the same as key 99 plus 3 blanks. Now we see the result. We see the key not found message and the command has been retained, so it may be changed easily. We enter a new key value and try again. We see the found message and the record is displayed. If you are unsure of the exact key value, the key next command can help. This will find the record with the key value greater than or equal to the key specified. Here we try key next 99,000. We see the found message and the record is displayed. The next value higher than 99,000 is 99,880. If the key command is entered without a value, a key window is displayed, initialized with the first key value on the file. We overtype that with the desired key, and of course we see the same result, key not found. Key next without a value fails here because the word next is treated as a value and that value does not exist on this file. This concludes this module. Thank you.